Hey, what up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to install Steam to buy games for your PC. Type in Steam and then click download, and then click right here where it says welcome to Steam, and click right here on the top, the green install Steam, and then click install Steam right now, and then just let this run, and then click on it, and then click yes. I've already installed it, so I'm not gonna install it again. Just click yes, and then it's gonna go through the process of installing. Then once it's done installing, this is what it should look like. The store has games, software, like racing, demos. I hope this video helped out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.